On the items you see here, can you guess what our letter for cursive is today? Jello, jar, jump rope. It's the letter J. Yay! J. Oops. J. 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 Juice. And we are on page number 6 in your cursive packet. I want you to notice something before we get started. Not only is J a slant letter because it starts with that same slanted line that I, T, and S did, but as you go down with the J, a normal print J, the hook is going to go this way. See the arrow? Down and then to the left. When you do a cursive J, watch, it's going to go down and it is also going to the left. So if you're confused about which direction to do your J in cursive, it's the same as your print J. The only difference is we can't leave our J here because why do we have to go back over here? So that we can connect to the next letter. Very good. Your pencil should be in the pencil spot so that we can begin. Also, oh, I didn't mention, this is our first letter that goes down into the basement. Yeah! And the crowd goes wild. Put your pencil in the pencil spot and watch me do a J. You're going to start on the bottom line and slant up to the middle just like you did for every other letter we've learned so far. Now you're going to go straight down, 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 all the way into the basement, like way touching that line. Curve the same direction you would for a regular print J. And then you just need to connect to the next letter and dot. So you got 4 different things to do. You're going to go slant up to the middle, 1. Go down to the basement, 2. Curve around all the way up to connect, 3. And dot it is 4. All right? Let me show you one more, and then I want you to do it with me. So you're going to slant up to the middle, go straight down to the basement, straight down, 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 till you get all the way to the basement, and then curve around the same way as a normal J, connect and dot. All right, you ready to do it with me? Pick up your pencil and go to the very first J. Now remember, you should not be going faster than me. It says do with your instructor. On these videos, I am your instructor. So you should be doing this with me, not trying to beat me, not staying behind and watching. It's time to do it with each other together. So ready? Put your pencil on the bottom line and go ahead, go. Curve up, slant up to the middle, go straight down to the basement till you touch the basement, curve around and connect, and then do your dot. If that was too fast for you, that's okay. Remember, you have this whole page to practice, but let's try another one before we do an in-between. Ready? Start at the bottom line, slant up to the middle, go straight down until you get to the basement, curve around to connect and dot. Feel like you could do one right here in between with me? Let's try it. Ready? Start at the bottom line, slant up to the middle, go straight down to the basement, down, 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 all the way till you get to the very bottom of the basement, curve around the same way you do a normal J, and keep going and connect and dot. How'd you do? All right, now, if you find that your J's, put your pencil back in the pencil spot so we can take a little nap while we're talking. If you find that your J's look funny, it may be that you're going the wrong way. That J, I went the wrong way. Notice this one, same direction as a normal J. That one, I went this way, and that's backwards. So just make sure you're going the same direction that a normal print J would do. You're going to finish that line, trace each of those, do your in-betweens here, but let's go ahead and just say these letters and words. Say it with me. J-I-T. What word is that? Jit. Guess what? Jit is not a word. It's a make-believe word, but that's okay. Let's do another one. Say the letters. I-J. Idge. That's not a word either, but it's you might find these in words. Last one. J-I-S-T. That word is gist. Like you get the gist of something, you get the idea. So that is actually spelled with a G, but that's okay. So you're going to trace the word, write the word, finish your whole page, and then circle the J you did the best. And then, like maybe you could get busy.